This is about how we're going to find centroid or center of geometry for complex geometry. This is important because if you want to find a force acting on a surface due to the pressure, you need to know where is the centroid. So how we're going to find that? We assume we know the centroid or center of geometry for simple shapes. For example, for the circle is at the middle. For the rectangular, that's the same, is at the the middle. And for the triangle, it's about a third from this base or from the bottom. So if we have a complex geometry such as this one, the first step is to divide into the simple shapes, and then we can use this formulation. The yi times ai divided by total ai. So what that means, if I divided this one to the simple shapes, I call this triangle shape 1, this rectangular shape 2, this is shape 3, and the circle, which is a hole, is a shape 4. Okay? I need to then define a reference point. Reference point can be anywhere, it doesn't matter. I call this one, that's the the plus or positive direction for the x and y. And now I can use this formulation. Yi should be measured for each shape from the origin. Okay? So what type of shape we have here is the triangle, 2 rectangular, and 1 circle. The only thing is that because circle is the removal area, when it's appear here, it should be negative. Okay? So we know the area for this triangle. This is 20 millimeters, this is 20 millimeters. The area for this rectangular is 20 millimeters times 50 millimeters, 1000. For this one is the 40 times 70. So this is 40, and this height, okay, I forgot to put this one. This is about 50. So 50 plus 20, the total is 70, 2800. And for the circle, as I say, it should be negative, the area. Minus pi r squared, and the r is 15, which is minus 706.81. Now, yi, just keep it in your mind, we're measuring from the origin, which is here. For this triangle, we know it should be here, right? And this is about a third of 20. So yi should be 50 plus 20 divided by 3. For the next shape, the rectangular, we know it should be here, which is half of this length, 25. For the next shape, again, this is the rectangular, it should be at the middle. So if this height is about 70, so this one should be 35. And for the circle, the centroid or center of geometry is at the center, and this height is given 25. Now we have to find ai times yi, which is just simply this one times this one. And the value, I'm just going quickly to write it down. Minus 1767.1. We need the summation of ai, yi, and also we need the summation of ai. Okay? the summation of this column should be divided by summation of this column. Y bar is the sigma AI yi divided by AI, and it will be divided by 3293, and Y bar is equal 35.43 millimeters. You can do exactly use the same procedure to find X bar. You only need to add the 2 extra columns to this table. Xi, AI times Xi. And just keep it in your mind, again, Xi for each geometry should be measured from this point. And again, if you have a removable area, this should be negative.